friend, this is Coco. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to have a conversation with hairdresser in English. Going to a salon for haircut or hairstyle can be nerve-wracking, especially English isn't your first language. Trust me, I know how it feels. So get ready to learn how to fearlessly chat with stylists and get the look you want. Before we get started, I just want to say a quick thank you to all my subscribers. I can't do this without you. And if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get started! Hi, I'm here for my appointment with Lucy. Oh, hi, Tracy. It's been a while since I saw you. How's everything? Hi, Lucy. I'm good. Alrighty. What are we doing today? I like to get a little haircut. Instead of saying a little haircut, you can simply say, I'd like to get a trim. I'd like to get a trim. Alright, I don't want it too short. If you want to keep the current length of your hair, but different style or shape, you can say, I'd like to keep the length. I'd like to keep the length. You can see I have a lot of damaged hair. I really need to get rid of them. You can also refer to damaged hair as split ends. Split ends. You know that I would like to have different lengths in the hair. To have different lengths in the hair means that I'd like to add layers. I'd like to add layers. I lost a lot of hair recently. Do you think you can make my hair look thicker and fuller? You can simply say, I like to add volume to my hair. I like to add volume to my hair. My hair looks so boring. I would like to have some bright color in my hair. If you already have color in your hair, and you would like to reapply the hair color to the regrowth area to match the rest of your colored hair, you can say, I like to touch up my roots. I like to touch up my roots. I see. Let me get it clear. You want to get a trim to get rid of split ends, and you also want to add layers for volume. Oh, and highlights. Is that correct? Exactly. I like to look good all the time. You know, it's just very easy to... You mean to manage? Yeah, to manage. You can also say, can you recommend a low maintenance hairstyle that suits me? I think lob will be perfect for you. It's long enough to style, it's short enough to be low maintenance. Plus the highlights, it will make you look fresh and energetic. Shall we do that? That's great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give the thumbs up or leave a message down below to say hi or share your thoughts. And of course, share this video with your friend if you think they would enjoy it too. See you next time.